Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.5 question number 3. Let us solve question number 3. Solve the following linear equations. Question number 3 is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Let us solve this question. The question is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2 minus 5x by 2. Transposing 5x by 2 on the left hand side and 7 on the right hand side, we get or x minus 8x by 3. This is plus 5x by 2 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6. This is on right side, that is minus 7. This is getting we got on transposing. On transposing we got this one. Or we find the LCM. The LCM is 6. That is 6x minus 8x. 6x minus 6x minus, if we divide 6 by 3, that is 2. 8 is 16 minus 16x plus, if we divide 6 by 2, that is 3. 3 5 is 15x is equal to, here we take the LCM 6, it is 17 minus 6 is 42, or we are getting 15 plus 6 is 21x minus 16x by 6 is equal to 17 minus 42. That means you have to subtract 17 from 42 minus 17, 5, 25, and the sign is 42 is greater, therefore minus 25 by 6, or we are getting 21 minus 16, that is 5x by 6 is equal to minus 25 by 6. Multiplying both sides by 6, we get or multiplying multiplying both sides by 6, multiplying both sides by 6, multiplying both sides by 6, we get 5x is equal to minus 25, or dividing both sides by 5, we get dividing both sides by 5, we get 5x by 5, that is x is equal to minus 25 by 5, that comes to minus 5. Therefore the value of x is equal to minus 5. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.